Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all well. Can't do any riding today because the hub's knackered. I think it's the bearings. They're going to get sorted tomorrow. So I'm going to take this opportunity to do a little review of the bike. What I've upgraded on it might give you some inspiration for any upgrades that you've got upcoming on yours. Hope you like the video and like, share and subscribe. Cheers. So here she is in all her glory. The Boardman MTR 8.6, the bike that you see on the videos. Got it for £890 before they brought the new range out last year. But what a fantastic bike it's been. And who says you have to spend thousands upon thousands for a decent bike? Yeah, I've upgraded quite a bit on it so far, but it's taken everything I've thrown at it, pretty much. So, originally, it had SR Suntour 34-foot forks on there that were really, really stiff. So I upgraded those quite early. I've got the RockShox Lyric fork on there, 140mm. Since putting them on, it's been a night and day difference. They are fantastic. I could still do with an upgraded damper on it, which would basically make it a RockShox Lyric Ultimate then. But yeah, absolutely fantastic fork. So good. I've got the Pro Guard mudguard on there, which is really good. I only ever did a couple of rides without a mudguard because it was absolutely chaos for the face in terms of mud. Originally, I had those tyres on, the Maxxis Minions. Although when I started going onto the fells, they just were no good at clearing mud. So I've recently changed to the Magic Mary tyres. And luckily, since I've upgraded those tyres, I've not had as much problem with sliding in mud. They just seem to clear really well. And the grip on wet, loose rock is fantastic. Okay, onto the drivetrain. Originally, I had an Advent 1x10 drivetrain, so I upgraded to an SLX drivetrain, SLX crankset, SLX derailleur, which is obviously really, really good, quite high end, not that much heavier than the XT. You'll see there, turning the bearings a shot. Listen to how rough that sounds, even the wheel turns. I've got Daiti T-Mac pedals on there. These have been absolutely fantastic. 14 pins on each side of the pedal. It almost feels like you've got flats on with them. I upgraded the dropper seat post to a RockShox dropper post, RockShox Reverb. That, I wish I'd upgraded that on day one now. It's been such a game-changing difference having that. I've got a lovely DMR saddle on there, which really customises the bike quite nicely. DMR camo handlebars, DMR stem, death grip grips with the flange bit here, mushroom, whatever you want to call it. I've upgraded both brakes. I've now got Tektro Orion 4 piston, both ends. And 200mm rotors. They originally were 180mm rotors. I've upgraded them to 203mm. That's made a big difference as well. So yeah, what else have I done? Shock's still the original one, which has been absolutely fine, to be fair. I would like one of the ones with the little chamber here, which means I'll probably have to remove this bottle because not got a great amount of space there. This little gadget here does the telemetry that you'll see on some of the videos, little GPS thing for overlay. So yeah, that's pretty much all the upgrades that I've done on it. So yeah, all in all, very, very good value, especially for what I've done on it. And I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Really, really looks good. My little muck off sticker on there. Love me muck off stuff. DJI, I filmed with the DJI Osmo Action 5 camera, which has been incredible since I started the YouTube channel. So that is pretty much it. What do you think? My plans going forward, eventually I do want to upgrade the frame, because all the bits I can just put onto a new frame, because this is a quick release frame and I want a through axle. That's the bit that lets it down and stops me from having the micro spline on it without getting a whole new Hope hub. And Hope hub with a micro spline, and then these little adapters that turn the through axle hub, that you can still use it with a quick release, but it's quite expensive. Rims, I would like to upgrade the rims as well at some point, but they've been absolutely spot on. They've taken an absolute battering. They're still running true now, absolutely perfectly, so really good. Yeah, and on the review side of things, I mean, value for money, you can't argue with it. It's been like an iron horse, absolutely strong as anything. Obviously I can't compare it to what it'd be like riding one for thousands and thousands, but all I know, it's a great ride, lots of stability. The rear shock works really well with the frame geometry, and you can pick these up for 600 quid second hand, like barely used, off Facebook Marketplace, eBay. So yeah, absolute bargain. Little personal touch there, little aluminium thing. Magic Mary tyre on the front, hands damp on the back. These are 2.4. But yeah, let us know what you think. That's it, that's the beast. That's what carries me round on the videos on the channel. Hope you like it. Let us know, like I said, let us know what you've got below. Any comments, any suggestions on what you might upgrade. Love to hear it. Hope you like that quick video. I'll see you in a bit.